Welcome back to the program as we next demonstrate attaching the earth wire and filling the sleeve with compound. Start by applying resin powder to the prepared end of the earth wire. This will ensure proper tinning of the strands. Tin the earth wire by dipping it into the solder pot. Tap to remove the excess solder and then wipe the conductors with a clean piece of mutton cloth to remove any rough edges. Correctly tinned, the strands should be shiny and bright. Using a shave hook, remove the oxide layer from the lead. Next, fit the earth wire to the sheath, securing this into position with tinned copper binding wire. Spread the strands to ensure maximum contact against the earth wire and sheath. The earth wire can now be patch wiped onto the lead sleeve using a stick of plumber's metal and a gas torch. Complete the task by removing any rough edges from the soldered area. The wipe should be neat and tidy and have good mechanical and electrical strength. Clean the oxide layer at 2 points on top of the lead sleeve and using the cobbler's knife and light-duty hammer, cut V-shape openings for the compound to be poured in. Apply a layer of P&B tape over the lead sheath and earth wire to protect the sheath and support the earth wire. The sleeve is ready to be filled with electrical insulating compound. Using a hack knife and hammer, remove the compound from its container. Remove and break up sufficient compound into manageable sized pieces. Heat the compound in a clean compound jug. When adding compound to the jug, ensure that you wear gloves for hand protection. Check the temperature frequently to ensure that the compound is not overheated, as this will render it unusable. The temperature should read between 160 and 180 degrees centigrade. Once the compound has reached the correct temperature, pour it into the sleeve at a steady rate until the level is just below the filling hole. When the sleeve has cooled, the top half should be warmed, topped up and capped. Capping is the process of closing the openings and covering them with a patch wipe to form a neat, evenly shaped, airtight seal as demonstrated. After the break, we will conclude the program as we demonstrate the termination of the tape armors and fitting of the protective box.